I'm Jean Richard, General Manager of Chandler, and today I'm pleased to provide you an overview of how our company can help yours.
Hi folks, Ken from Chandler. Our office furniture division offers a wide range of products and services, and our main goal is to provide you with a healthy and ergonomically correct work environment. We believe the right physical environment can improve a person's well-being, inspire innovation, and enable them to perform their best. Our team can help make that happen with office essentials such as properly adjusted chairs, workstations, and height-adjustable tables.
Whether you're looking for the latest products and systems or you require a customized communication solution, our alarm and communications team can help. We specialize in commercial two-way radios, fire alarm services, security solutions, cellular and satellite systems, business phones, and paging and public address systems.
We believe that safety in the workplace should be your top priority, and our safety division can help you with all your safety requirements, including eyewear and hearing protection, fall protection equipment, hand protection, hand and face protection, respiratory protection, safety footwear, and we also offer our products through an easy-to-use vending machine solution. Industrial supplies are part of most business operations, and our team's experience and product knowledge allows us to help find the right solutions for you. We can help you with protective coatings, pallet wrap, tape, custom plastics, and we also offer vending machine solutions for consumables.
Our sanitation division is committed to helping you keep your facility clean and safe. We can help you with equipment, warewash and laundry, janitorial supplies, floor care, and a wide range of services such as service technicians, online ordering, and food safety technicians. Our apparel division offers a wide range of solutions for branded clothing and promotional products. We also offer uniforms, teamwear, and safety apparel. From embroidery and silk screening to direct-to-garment imaging, we've got you covered. We can also offer you a customized online store.
So I hope this video has given you a greater understanding of Chandler's products and capabilities, and we are here to help you succeed.